My name is Brooke. I'm the creator of Life Out of Camo, and this is my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm so excited to finally have a new video up for you guys. So cheers to some new content. I've got a new Stitch Fix to unbox for you all. These last couple of weeks with the stay-at-home orders, joggers have become my new uniform. Joggers and comfy tees all day, every day, right? Joggers are versatile, I promise you. They are more than loungewear. Take them from super cash to dressy, even office appropriate. Yes, you heard that right. So with that idea in mind, I requested a fix built all around joggers. I'm really excited to break into this burrito. I see a lot of thick, chunky fabrics and a really neutral color palette. Let's see what Kimberly sent for the stay-at-home fix. This is what was in the box, starting with those joggers that actually have a much more substantial feel than I thought. It is not sweatpant material, so I'm excited to try those on, going all the way down the line from super cash, a chunky knit, this little polka dot guy, and this is the top that Kimberly said was going to be the dressy option for joggers. So I'm excited to try all this on for you guys. I will be right back. All right, I am pretty much sold on look number one. These joggers, these are pricey, guys. I just checked out the price sheet. $128 for the Bella Doll Pacey jogger pant. It's a little high for joggers, but I have to admit they are supremely comfortable, very soft. Like I said before, it is a much more substantial fabric than I was expecting. These are not sweatpants, guys. This is a Tencel cotton spandex mix, so still really good stretch. Kind of cargo style pockets in the front and back pockets as well. This gathered waistband with a little rope tie in front with the same kind of gathered band at the leg opening, so you could adjust the height of the leg. They reach just to about my ankle, just above, so that's a nice comfortable length. On top, we're going from the most expensive to maybe the cheapest item in the box. Under $40 for this Mix by 41 Hawthorne Denver front twist. This is one of those super easy throw on, don't even have to think about it. This twist is built in, you guys. That is a lifesaver for me. I can never figure out the trendy front tuck idea that everybody does now. This shirt does it for you. All you have to do is put it on, and I like that the knot is just off center a bit, but I like that it's not all the way over to the side. Super soft brushed fleece fabric, very thin and light, so you could wear this all seasons. This is your casual stay-at-home jogger look. My stylist said this top will automatically take your joggers from super cash to office appropriate. You're out of the house, you're looking good, but you're still comfy as you got your cozy joggers on. And this top still has a really good amount of stretch. It's incredibly soft, just feels luxurious. This is the Velvet by Graham & Spencer Borsala boat neck top. I love that different detail of this elongated boat neck. Some extra fabric in there that weights it down and keeps it in place. You're not going to be fussing with it once you put it on. And really great news, ladies. The neckline goes just far enough without exposing your normal bra. This has these little extra details, ribbing along the entire shirt, and this extra thick seam runs down the center as well as the back. The sleeves here have an extra long cuff and the ribbing detail changes direction, so that's kind of cool. And almost a dolman look with this kind of bat wing sleeve, the smaller hem opening, but like I said, a ton of stretch, so you do not feel constricted at all. Not totally convinced I would wear this exact outfit just because of the faded black of the Bella Doll joggers versus the really rich black of the Velvet by Graham & Spencer top. Just an FYI guys, this entire ensemble is pricey. These are both over $100 pieces. Definitely paying a little bit for that office ready look. We included a couple of sweater options to round out this jogger stay at home fix. You guys, I am loving this sweater. It is so cozy, but it is so the wrong season for this. This is definitely going to be a fall sweater. It's heavy, I'm sweating already, but I love it. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I was going to like this piece. I love the chunky knit. Again, just like that boat neck piece, the cuffs on here change their design, and that's really cool. A kind of extra layer over the cuff, and of course the thumb hole feature. Love that so much. I love a good cowl neck. I'm saying love a lot, but I do. I love a good cowl neck. If you can't stand something around your neck, you're not gonna like this piece. But if you are a scarf lover, if you are a cowl neck wearer, this is totally your jam. Definitely oversized. I would put this with leggings and boots. The fall uniform, that would be a really cute combo. And even put a vest over the top of this, and you would be set for all of your fall outings. The Market & Spruce Sharon Thumb Hole Cotton Blend Pullover. To finish off this fix, Kimberly put in a Market & Spruce Roaded Crew Neck Cotton Blend Pullover. A fitted sweater, very thin and light. I love the extra little color detail around the cuff and polka dots. I love polka dots. I'm almost 40, still love polka dots. Don't judge me. I wish it was another color, so I'm gonna go ask customer service maybe if they have a different color option. I might also request to size up in this. Thank you, quarantine days. I need to size up on all my clothes now. Thanks for tuning in. That is a wrap on fix number 71. I hope you guys enjoyed this stay-at-home fix as much as I did, and I hope it gave you guys some really good ideas of how you can style your own joggers for more than just lounging and PJs. Follow me, Life Out of Camo, on Instagram and on Facebook. I'd really love to see how you guys are styling your joggers. I'll see you guys for the next fix.